Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Just a living tip. I used to do heating and air conditioning. I'm universal certified. This is a window air conditioner. A customer was complaining about that it wasn't blowing out any air. When I pulled out the filter, it was completely frozen right here. And when I went in the outside of the fan, it was completely frozen. So all you have to do is take you some hot water in the back of the unit and douse it and get all the ice off it. And then you take a blow dryer, regular blow dryer, you pull the filter out, comes out on the side, and you go up and down. If this is frozen, no air is going to blow through here because behind here is where your fan is blowing at. So you have to pull out the filter. You take a light and you'll see a block of ice. All you do is take a nice blow dryer and go up and down and get that off, then go in the backyard and then get all the ice off. I'm going to go in the backyard. I've already done this, so you already will see where the ice will be built up at on the outside of the unit. You do not have to throw the unit away in any shape, form, or way, or buy a new one. You will look on the side right here, and it's hard to see, but inside here you saw a big block of ice sitting right here. If that is frozen, which is a compressor, that means the evaporator inside is going to be frozen also. Also, it's a good time to rinse this off, let this sit for 24 hours a day, let it thaw itself out. Once you're done that, you're good to go, and make sure you clean that air filter. If you do not change that air filter, it is going to freeze up again. This is just a life tip. You do not have to go buy another AC unit because it froze up. 9 times out of 10, your filter was dirty. Also, another reason why it will freeze up is if you look up under here, and you can see it dripping right there. If this gets clogged up, take you a stick and go up and down inside this hole that's right there, and then take yourself a dry vac or a vacuum and suck all that out. If not, the water's going to trap itself and freeze up. This is just a little tip that I like to help people out instead of going out and buying these units. A lot of the times it's a real simple fix. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for being wonderful subscribers and future subscribers. And please leave positive comments. Thank you.